We have a tank, a fish tank with only one fish, which is helping to fertilize the plants above. As you can see, the plants are quite healthy. They get the sunlight, continuous supply of water and nutrition from the fish. Okay. There you have it, a simple aquaponics setup. Okay, and again, as you can see, we have only one fish, which is helping to fertilize the means above. Okay, and it's been running on its own. Yep, we'll just need to top up the water at about once every week, just a bit, about 1 cm of water, just to keep the water above the pump. So it's a very simple setup which we can actually do it at your home, office or school.